Morning.
Morning.
Start again. Morning.
Morning.
I'm Jackie.
I'm Richard.
And we're Early Retirement Wanderlust.
And we're going to take you on a drive up the Hard Knott Pass and the Wrynose Pass on a beautiful Saturday morning. So we've made it over the top of the passes and we're at Blea Tarn.
Yeah, the drive was pretty spectacular. It was quite hairy at times. We've been on several Swiss and alpine mountain passes, and we thought, oh, it'll be a breeze. But there were some sketchy moments.
Yeah, poor old Nelson. There was a couple of bends coming up the Hard Knott where he struggled for traction, but I think it was because it was pretty wet roads, bless him. But he got up and he was fine. But for those of you that are petrol heads, I'd be really careful. You know, Nelson, with all the statos, he's 150 brake horsepower. He can get up most things, but it was sketchy, but it was fun.
Yeah, it was good. Glad we've done it. We're going to do some photography because it's looking pretty spectacular with the view over to the pikes.
And then we're going to head over into the Langdale Valley and over to Ambleside, and that's our weekend done.
Yep.
See
Ready
you later.
to go home.